Come on, Connor. You got it. He's losing his pants. That's problematic.
Yeah.
That's problematic.
You climbed all the way to the top, buddy. All by yourself.
Now he needs to learn how to get down. He thinks he can get down like a big person and just step.
No, that's not how you get down. Say bye-bye. Connor. Say bye.